a quick tour. So the reason why we're in here today is because we bought this house over a year ago, and today is actually the first day that no one is staying here. So I thought it would be the perfect time for us to come in and change things up and make it feel a little bit more homey. The reason why we bought this house is because we can entertain people and have people that we are hoping to do business with, currently doing business with, or who are PACE's students come and stay with us and enjoy some time together and really get to know each other. And so the vision of what we're going for is a southwestern escape type of feel. So we are here in Arizona, and we wanted to lean into the desert oasis, Arizona southwestern style a little bit more than what we would typically do in our main house, just to kind of play it up. The whole goal and what we have to do is PACE gave me 2 weeks and a budget to get this done really quickly. And if I don't get it done in 2 weeks, he's gonna hire someone else, which is, if any girls who run a house know what I'm talking about, that sounds not fun, because when it's your personal house, you want to pick your own stuff that's going to stay. So if you come in real quick, this is our main living room, and you can see our beautiful baby over there. It's really big and beautiful, lots of nice natural light, which leads right into the kitchen. The kitchen is great, and it is beautiful and modern and remodeled, and so we're not really going to touch this at all. And it is a fully functioning kitchen, meaning it's got a full-size stove, dishwasher, sink, microwave, even a full-size refrigerator over here. So in here, we've got the laundry room, utility sink, tons of storage, pantry, and full fridge. And then right through those doors is the guest house's own private courtyard, which is really nice. And so we can have a little bit of fun in an outdoor space too. So this will be really cool, and this will be the majority of where people who are staying here will actually hang out. So I think we do it up in here a little bit more than the rest of the house. So one of the things that this house does really well is we have really wide, beautiful hallways, which is really nice. And we have massive half bathrooms. This half bathroom is huge, and it's actually really beautiful. It's got marble floors and wood cabinets and brass poles. So I think this will be really fun to dress up. So this house does have 2 completely separate private bedrooms with their own ensuite bathrooms. And so right through here is the first bedroom. And I know this is messy, but guess what? It's gonna make for a better before and after when we're done. This, we're gonna switch out for a king size bed, just because sometimes people are coming and staying with their spouses or partners, and we'd like them to have a nice big bed where they're not rolling into each other, because there's nothing worse in Arizona than being sweaty and on top of your significant other. So this is gonna be switched out to a king bed. And then through here is our first ensuite bathroom. So you've got your own private sink and full shower tub. So right through here is the second bedroom. This does have a king size bed, and I actually kind of like it, so I think it's gonna stay. However, right now this is giving bachelor vibes. It's giving mattress on the floor. It's giving navy sheets, and we want to change that. We want people to come in and be like, wow, this is really cool. So this will be really fun to tackle, and this is a really cool room because it is truly its own little ensuite bathroom. Here is the sink, which I think is kind of weird in a very wonderful way. And then another private bathroom with another tile mosaic, and this one's brown instead of maroon and green, but it's still really beautiful. So I do actually really like this. Right through here, we have a full gym, which is crazy. And so this is going to be a completely separate project. This is gonna be really sad to say, but when you're an entrepreneur and you're hustling and you're going after it, one of the first things to fall off that you're taking care of is yourself. You've got a lot going on with work, you wanna keep up with your family, you wanna be a really present parent. The first thing that falls off is going to the gym and taking care of your health. We're not the best at that. And I know that would be really cool to hear that Pace and I have some sort of cheat code and we're like ripped, you know? But truthfully, we're not doing the best job of that. And I know that some of you have seen Pace work out on our patio, so I know, you can work out in your garage with paint cans, you don't need your own gym. But this is something to where I actually feel like Pace gives so much of himself to everybody else. He doesn't really focus on himself, that I actually think that's really sad, and he's very deserving of this space. Because he's so busy, because he does so much, he works so many hours, he sleeps so few hours, that that drive to and from a gym really is just wasted. So having a gym on your same lot, I think will be awesome. It'll take them a minute to walk over, get a quick, good, focused workout in, and then head back and keep working. So we usually have at least 2 different groups of people staying with us at any point in time. So these are trundle beds, and unfortunately they're probably gonna stay. I know as far as like the aesthetics of a gym, it'd be cool to have weights here and have a full mirrored wall, but we want this to still be, you know, a good dual function for us. And so these will have to stay as beds because they sometimes will be used as beds. But in here, we're going to be aware of what Pace likes to do for working out and what I like to do for working out. Pace is a little bit more all chest, no legs type of guy, and I like yoga and spin and, you know, butt stuff. Who doesn't want a good butt? So we're gonna kind of tailor what kind of equipment we're buying to fit what kind of workouts we want to do. But one of the really cool places over in this house is this area right here. And it is cool the way it is because it's got a sink, you can wash your hands. Who doesn't like to wash your hands while you're working out? And it does have a fridge. But I think this would be way cool if it actually functioned as like a really awesome place that makes sense for the gym. And what I mean like that is like a place to mix up your pre-workout or a water bottle filling station. I think that would be way cooler than what it is right now. And maybe this is just turns into a pebble ice machine. So you'll have to stay tuned and see what we pick for this area, or if we just leave it alone and stock it with towels and protein powder and pre-workout. So this is gonna be really cool for both of us. So I can't wait. But I can't wait for you guys to see it. So let me know which space you think is gonna be the coolest transformation, or if you have any ideas for things that we should do. But I can't wait to take you along with me for shopping and setting up and making this place go from bachelor pad to Southwestern Escape. It's gonna be nice. Let's do it together.